Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your DJI Mavic Mini without phone, without attaching mobile phone to your remote controller. Let's get started here. This will be just a short video. Let me show you my drone here. So, you can see this is my drone. The first step is really simple. Open your drone carefully. I'm always scared during doing this. Now, the first step is done. It's opened. And now the second step in remote controller, just open your antennas. That's it. That's all we have to do. Now, let me tell you some important points. Make sure this drone is not heated, otherwise it's not going to fly. So make sure it's cooled down. Now, the second thing, make sure it has battery, as well as this controller has battery. Now, let me just show you how you do these steps. Just click one time and then long press, and did you listen that sound? It means it's on. It's on. Now keep this in flat surface like this. Now in this side, let me show you. Here you can see the lights. Now turn on your remote, one click and then long press, and you can hear the sound. And now you can see the blinking, blinking. When this blinking is stopped, it means it is connected with the drone. So now it's still blinking. It means, okay, here you can see the two lights are now not blinking, just one light is blinking. This is because this is showing me error. This is basically error. What kind of error? Let me tell you. This is the this error. I don't have any SD card here. That's why it's blinking. It's telling me there is no SD card. There are lots of meaning of LED blinking. Okay. And if your last light is blinking, it means your drone is heated. So make sure it's cooled down. Now it's connected. It's one light is just blinking because we don't have put any SD card there. Now they are connected. Let me just keep this little far, and let me just show you how it flies. Now the trick is really simple. What do you do? You can see these two sticks. First, keep both of these stick to the right and left side. This side on left hand side, keep this in left, and right hand side, keep this in right. That's it. First step. The second step is keep this bottom, and that's it. And keep this pressed. Do this fast. That's all. And here you can see the trick. What I have done, I didn't done this vertically, but little diagonally. Okay, it's diagonally. Now both of them diagonally. That's all. Now next step is we wanted to make this fly. So for fly, of course, from left hand side, when you do this, you can hear this sound. Yeah, it's too much. Now just keep this, and it's flying now. This is how you fly the drone. And for landing, just you have to done this manually too. You can't use this button. Just use this button. Okay, left hand side. You just fly this little, and that's it. And that's all you have to do, and this automatically gonna close. This is how you fly a drone without using your mobile phone. It's really easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other question, you can ask me in comment sections, and you can also check on my other tutorials regarding Mavic Mini. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.